How to add custom CSS in WordPress. Want to give your WordPress website a unique look? Custom CSS is the answer. It lets you tweak the design beyond your theme's standard setting. Let's explore 2 easy ways to add your own CSS code. The simplest method is using the WordPress customizer. For your information, this is how the dashboard look like. Now, from your dashboard, navigate to the appearance, which is somewhere around here. Tap on it, and under it you can find an option for customize. Tap on it. That will take you to the customizer. So this is how my website look like. Now on this editor side, you can see an option called additional CSS over here. Simply tap on it. So it falls under the premium plan. However, plan I'm using is a free plan, so I wouldn't be able to show you the rest process. However, I'll be explaining the rest process. So once you tap on additional CSS, a code editor will appear on the left, and over here you can paste or write your custom code. And as you type, you will see the changes reflected on the website preview on your right, which is around here. And another method for more permanent and organized changes involves editing your theme's style set. However, it's highly recommended to use a style theme for this to avoid losing your custom CSS when you update your main theme. You can find the tutorials on how to create a style theme too. So that was 2 methods that you can custom your CSS on WordPress. Whether you use the customizer or a style theme, adding custom CSS is a powerful way to personalize your WordPress site. Experiment and have fun creating your perfect design. And that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.